Welcome back to the channel, your hub for the latest tech, cameras, and creative tools. If you love breaking down cutting-edge gear before anyone else, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. The big reveal teased the hype. The Sony A7V series has been the gold standard for hybrid creators. But what Sony is bringing in 2025? This is a game changer. The Sony A7V, maybe they'll call it the A75, and just an upgrade. It's a total reinvention of the full-frame mirrorless camera. Here's what's under the hood. 44-megapixel BSI full-frame sensor. Ultra-clear, hyper-detailed shots every time. Dual Bions XR processors plus AI engine. Focus faster than your eye, can blink 4K at 120 FPS. Smooth, cinematic slow motion that storytellers dream about. Next-level AI autofocus. Lock onto people, pets, birds, cars, even drones, all in real time. 8-stop IBIS stabilization. Handheld shots smoother than some gimbals. Dual native ISO. Low-light magic that keeps the noise away. Pro connectivity. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, lightning fast file transfers. Passive cooling. Say goodbye to overheating. Record endlessly in 4K. Top 10 killer features. 1. All-new 44MP sensor, sharper images. Insane dynamic range. 2. 4K 120 FPS, slow mo freeze time like never before. 3. Smarter AI autofocus, track anything, anywhere. 4. Unlimited 4K recording thanks to a redesigned cooling system. 5. ProRes RAW output, broadcast ready straight from the HDMI. 6. Dual native ISO, cleaner low-light shots. 7. 8-stop stabilization, shoot handheld with zero shake. 8. Upgraded JPEG engine, stunning images straight out of the camera. 9. Ergonomic redesign built for all-day shoots. 10. Future-proof connectivity, fast, stable wireless transfers. Release date and price. Official launch. Likely March 2025. Pre-orders should open shortly after global release. July 2025. Price around $2,499 to $2,599 body only, with kits landing at $2,799 to $2,999 USD. Why should creators care? This isn't just a camera, it's your co-pilot on every shoot. Whether you're capturing wildlife in Alaska, street photography in Tokyo, or vlogging from your studio, the A7V empowers creators to dream bigger. High-res photography, cinematic video, and AI-powered features all in one sleek mirrorless body. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I love reading how you all would use this beast in your creative projects. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give it a thumbs up to help spread the word. Subscribe for more camera tech breakdowns, and smash that bell icon so you don't miss my hands-on review as soon as the Sony A7V drops. Until next time, keep creating, keep pushing boundaries, and I'll catch you in the next one.